How to optimize TikTok videos for search. To optimize TikTok videos for search, you simply must feed the algorithm clear text, audio, and visual data so it knows exactly how to categorize your content. TikTok functions like a modern visual search engine, meaning discovery relies heavily on matching user search intent with specific keyword-rich video signals. So, you have to conduct platform-specific keyword search, launch the application itself. Now you have to use the TikTok search bar located on the top right corner. Now you simply have to go ahead and tap on the search bar, then type a word term related to your niche and look at the autocomplete drop-down suggestion to find long-tail keywords. You can also use TikTok's Creator Insight for more details. Go ahead and type Creator Insights on the search bar. Now, once you're here, you simply have to go and you should be able to find over here all the trending topics, hot trends, sounds, effects, and templates, as well as hashtags. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.